The Lincoln Digital Experience comes to life through the 48-inch panoramic display, which is crafted around the driver to be simple and intuitive, helping to keep your eyes up and out. The elevated panoramic display puts information closer to the driver's line of sight while driving. The system provides easy access to music, podcasts, and more, available for download on Google Play. And you can also enjoy video and gaming apps when your vehicle is parked. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also compatible. The customized interface helps you organize your display to make your most used apps instantly accessible. Lincoln Digital Experience also includes a 4-year trial period for Lincoln Premium connectivity. The 5G modem provides impressive connectivity for navigation, streaming music, and full support of the Lincoln Digital Experience. There is an extensive list of apps that are embedded in the Lincoln Digital Experience, including Google Assistant, Google Maps, SiriusXM, Amazon Alexa, Apple CarPlay, Wi-Fi hotspot, and more. Plus, Lincoln Digital Experience is continuously improving thanks to over-the-air software updates and through new apps being added on Google Play. Lincoln Digital Experience is thoughtfully curated and designed by Lincoln to help you stay effortlessly connected while on the go. For more information on Lincoln Digital Experience features, please watch more of our Lincoln how-to videos or see your owner's manual. Thanks for watching.